Auscultation is the process of listening to sound produced by the body to distinguish normal and abnormal sound. Using a stethoscope, the sound heard comes from the cardiovascular, respiratory, and gastrointestinal system. The material stethoscope enhances sound. Hello, good morning. Interesting. My name is Muhammad Abid Koiruzaki, the nurse Stimude. I am here to perform an abdominal examination using the auscultation technique. To listen for peristaltic bowel sound caused by the movement of gas for food. Thank you for your comprehension.